How to see all new museum contemporary art in NYC. If you are eager to immerse yourself in the vibrant world of contemporary art, the new museum in New York City is a must-visit. This museum is the only one in Manhattan dedicated solely to contemporary art, making it a unique destination. Located at 235 Bowery in Lower Manhattan, the new museum showcases innovative works by living artists. Let's break down how to make the most of your visit. First, head to the new museum building itself. The architecture is striking and has recently expanded, providing more space for exhibitions. A new sculpture titled Art Lovers by Tshabalala Self will debut in fall 2025, adding to the museum's commitment to contemporary art. Next, it is essential to check the current and upcoming exhibitions. The new museum frequently updates its displays, so visiting their official website or calling them directly will keep you informed about what is on view. For instance, the upcoming exhibition New Humans, Memories of the Future, is set to open in fall 2025 and will feature works from various artists. In addition to regular exhibitions, the museum often includes special installations and site-specific works. These can be found throughout the museum's architecture and public spaces. For example, the facade, Tshabalala Self, Art Lovers, and Atrium Stair, Clara Hasnad Lava, are integrated into the museum and offer a unique experience. Another way to engage with contemporary art is by attending public programs and art-making events. The new museum hosts various activities that allow visitors to interact with the art and learn more about the creative process. Participating in these events can deepen your appreciation for the artworks on display. While the new museum is a highlight, consider visiting other contemporary art venues in New York City. Institutions like the Museum of the City of New York and the Metropolitan Museum of Art also feature exhibitions that touch on contemporary themes. However, the new museum stands out for its exclusive focus on contemporary art. Finally, plan your visit carefully. The new museum is easily accessible by subway and public transportation. Before you go, check their opening hours and ticketing policies to ensure a smooth experience. By following these steps, you can fully enjoy the contemporary art presented by the new museum in New York City, experiencing a wide array of innovative artistic expressions that reflected current cultural trends.